Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're here to test the App2CAR video streaming and app installer in a Nissan Navara 2021. So what we're going to do is simply install the product on the USB port and just wait a few seconds until the App2CAR is recognized by the Nissan. And we're gonna watch some Netflix movies, and of course you know that with this product you can install any app from your Google store, because this product comes with Android OS installed, so you can install any other apps that you may like. So here it is, this product being recognized. What I noticed from the Nissan Navara is the touchscreen is very good. It's very sensitive, which is great for navigation, so you can easily go around the menus without a problem. And so here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we are wireless LAN installed. So the iPhone is. So what we do is we pair with the mobile phone. So we share the wireless connectivity, the internet connectivity with the mobile phone. And then what we do is we go to more apps, which is gonna go to Netflix. And the beauty of this product, as you know, we can drive while watching movies. Of course, we don't recommend that. We tell you at the beginning, please do not watch movies while you drive, but you can do it. And then Netflix is on the screen. Just gonna wait a few seconds until it loads the movies from my Netflix account. But I go to Netflix, gonna check another one. Let's go for this one. There we go. We have selected a different movie. And the sound comes from the car stereo. And this is the menu, you can move it around. So we're gonna stop it, go back to the menus. What we're gonna do is you can have YouTube, you can watch YouTube videos as well, the same, and you can install any apps like Amazon Prime Videos or any others. So it's a great product. Thank you very much. And if you want to know more about this product, please go to www.smartworldcompany.com.